Hey everyone, in this lesson, we're going to cover Lesson 7, Level 5 on code.org, which will be focused on how to add your own image to a website when the image is not already preloaded for you. So, on Level 2, if you can remember back to that level, we inserted the picture of the cat's face here underneath the dog picture. And what this particular level 5 wants you to do is add a picture of your own pet underneath the cat image. So I will show you guys how to do that. I'm just going to collapse my instructions here so I have more room to code. And so the process here is going to be slightly different if you're on an iPad than if you're using a personal computer or laptop or something like that. So I will just kind of explain what the difference is. So if no matter what you're using, you're going to press the add image button. But first you have to have an image. Now, you might already have an image of your pet on your camera roll or your laptop, or you might have to go out to Google to get one. So I'll demonstrate what that process is. Um, so I'm just going to search for Puggle since that's the type of pet that I have. Go out to Google Images and I'm going to find a picture of a Puggle that I like. And they're all pretty cute, but I'm just going to go with this one. So I'm going to right click, save image as, and choose Puggle. I'm just going to type Puggle. And if you're doing this on an iPad, you would just, go out to Google Images the same way. And then what we're going to do is come back to code.org and then press add image. All right. So if you're on an iPad, what you're going to do is after you press add image, you're going to press upload file because that manage asset screen is going to come up. And then you're going to choose photo library. So then you're going to pick the Puggle or whatever picture you want from your camera roll, and then you're going to select use. All right, so that's really the only thing that's different. So I'm just going to be going through. I have a Mac, so that's the interface you are seeing here, and I'm just uploading my picture called Puggle. Now, your image might not have as nice of a short and clean file name. It doesn't matter. Code.org will automatically insert it for you. Whatever your file name is, you don't need to type it out. So I'm going to exit out of that screen. And back on my index.html page, I'm going to scroll down. I can see that my Puggle image is now over in my files area over here, and I can look at it. This is the one I downloaded from Google Images. And I'm going to go back to my index.html page, and I am going to scroll down, and then underneath this paragraph line I added for the cat, I'm going to add a new H3 heading that says Puggle. So this has its own section, and make sure that shows up. And then I'm going to code the image in. So image SRC is the code we want to use, as we learned in the previous levels, and then press equal sign. Now, if you're on an iPad, it will be slightly annoying because you have your keyboard in the way and it's blocking your code. I understand that's an issue and we're looking to resolve that for those of you at home. But what you can do is pull your keyboard down and then your files will appear. So you can just select the one by clicking on it that you downloaded from or that you uploaded from your camera roll. So I'm also going to click on it because it's easier. Now, remember, we also don't want to forget our alt attribute. So remember, that's the text that shows up just in case our image doesn't load. So I'm just going to put, in quotation marks, Puggle picture. And you can really put anything you want for the alt. It's just whatever text you want to show in case your image doesn't load. But you absolutely always want to have it. Always, always, always. So as you can see, my Puggle image came in rather largely, which that's actually good because I want to show you how to fix that. Compared to the other two, and just kind of looking at it in proportion over here, um, it is rather large. And I want this Puggle to be roughly the same size as this dog and cat. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So how you do that is by getting a rough idea what the size of the other pictures are on your page. So I can see by clicking on the dog.jpg image that this is a 314 by 240 pixel image. And the cat is a 400 by 256 pixel image. Whereas my Puggle is a 974 times by 1200 pixel image. So that's a rather large image. So I want to take that down a lot. So I'm going to actually make it a 300 by 400 image and see if that helps. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my cursor back inside picture, and you guys don't have to do this. This is just if you want to make it look better. So I'm going to type width, and that's the attribute we want for width. And I think I said I wanted mine to be 900. And doing that alone should actually fix it. Oh, it doesn't. And then height equals 1200. All right. So I'm going to refresh and save. And then going down, oh, it didn't work. So let me try that again. Oh, I'm sorry. That was the initial. I'm getting confused, guys. Sorry. All these numbers. All right, so that made it work a little bit better. So now my Puggle image kind of fits in the same category as the other ones. So this video explains how to add your own image to code.org, how to get it to show up in your file section over here, and how to code in the new image that you've added. So you'll be doing this quite a bit for your personal websites. So hopefully this helped. If not, please reach out to me and I will be sure to help you with your web pages. So thank you guys so much. As always, please let me know if I can help you guys with your pages. Bye.